Hey guys, this is Raoul Monks, founder and director of Flume Sales Training. Thanks so much for coming to our YouTube channel designed specifically for sales teams to navigate this exceptionally tough time. Wanted to share with you a way of thinking, a tip if you like, for salespeople, but also very useful for sales leaders to share with their sales teams to help grow the strongest possible relationships with your clients through this incredibly uncertain time. The natural approach is to approach or work with clients in either a very passive way and shy away from conversations and selling, or an aggressive way based on the fact that we want to keep our jobs and hit our targets. But actually for clients, what they're looking for is help. What they're looking for is a way of getting and navigating through this crisis. And what that means is every conversation or every interaction they have with the sales team has to feel like it's worth paying for in itself. It has to be worth that time. Now for them, the biggest question is, what's everyone else doing? What mistakes are other people making? What should I do? What shouldn't I do? Because they don't know the answer. As sales teams, you have the opportunity to answer that question for them. You have the opportunity to become a wealth of information to share with them, to learn, to teach, and help them see a path and a way through this. So the next conversations your sales teams have, make sure we're focused on learning what your clients are going through, what they're learning, what they're putting into place, what's working, what's not working, and become the place of information for your clients to help them make stronger decisions in this tough time.